Hi, Paul here from Results Personal Training, and today I'm going to make a quick video on hinging. Now I'm going to bring you 10 or so different kettlebell hinging exercises that you can do. The hinge is a fundamental movement pattern. It's something we've always done. A hinge is essentially something how we pick stuff up off the floor. We use single leg hinging in walking, we use it in running, we use it in jumping. In fact, it's probably the most used movement in all athletic endeavors, okay? If you want to play tennis, there's your hinge. Golfing, there's your hinge. There are so many movements that involve hinging, and it's something super important. For me, it's picking my kids up off the floor, all right, without doing my vacuum. It's hinging over the sink when I'm brushing my teeth, you know. It's that fundamental, and it's in everything we do. Once upon a time, it was in building shelters, all right, or even cooking dinner around the fire. So we've always used hinging, and it's something that got us to where we are today. It's an incredibly important piece of the puzzle, okay? So, first movement, let's get into this